Now you are going to see the installation of PHP in IIS. Okay, first download and extract PHP5 and PECL. Okay, so here already I have downloaded PHP5 and PECL. So here after downloading, so you create a PHP folder in CI PHP. Now we are going to create a folder in C PHP. It should be in capital letters PHP. Okay, so after creating a folder PHP, you copy all the PHP5 and PECL files into PHP folder, that is whatever we have downloaded before, that is PECL. Okay, these are called all the DLL files. You copy all the entire files and paste in C PHP, and also you copy the folders of PHP5, all the files, and paste into C PHP. Now you can see all the files have been copied into the C PHP folder. Now you can see all the folders have been copied into the PHP folder. The DLL files and the folders have been copied into the C PHP folder. So here you have to check mainly the PHP IIS. After creating copying all the files of PHP5 and PECL, now we have to create a folders called as sessions, upload, log in C PHP. Whatever PHP folder we have created in C, we have to create 3 folders called as sessions, upload and log. Now you are going to see creating of folders in PHP. New folder sessions. Okay, and next another folder called as new upload, and next and the last folder is called log. So here all the sessions, upload and log, these folders are created in C PHP. And the last step, so here we have to create a new file called php.log in log folder, that is C PHP log. Now we are going to create a log file. PHP log, open log, new text document. Okay, so here we have to save that file as php.log and save the file and close and delete the file, delete, yes, and now here you can see the PHP log file has been created. Now we are going to see the setting up of environmental variables, step 2. Okay, so here setting up of environmental variables. So here we have to add a PHP path, that is C PHP system variable into the existing path. So here we are going to create the path now. My computer, properties, environmental advanced, environmental variables, path. Okay, edit. See, you are going to create a, we have to separate with semicolon, means C PHP semicolon, click OK, click OK, click OK button. Now you are going to create a new variable names as phprc phprc and variable values as cphp. Again we have to go for my computer properties, advanced, environmental variables, new, phprc, c, php and click OK. Click OK. OK. Okay. And next step we are going to see configuring IIS to execute PHP extension files. So make sure that whether IIS is installed and running without errors or not. Go to settings, control panel, administrative tools, open, internet information services, open, okay, websites, default website, okay, see whether check whether start button is on or off, okay. So if it is start means already IIS has been running. Now you can see here, click on Internet Explorer or any other browser and type http localhost. Now you can see that IIS is running successfully. So here this is Microsoft Internet Information Services. So this is nothing but it is called as a web server. So this acts as a web server. Now we have to integrate PHP engine files, that is DLL files, into IIS. Okay, let's check now. Default website, properties, this is called as application configuration window. Select home directory, click on configuration and click on add button and click on browse and check the file that is in PHP. Click on all files and check the file called as php5isapi.dll. click open and create extension as .php. So and put check mark for script engine, check that file exists or not and click OK. The extensions, click OK. Before we have seen that PHP engine has been added. Now we are going to see the editing of PHP ini file. PHP ini file. Okay, editing of PHP ini file. Okay, renaming PHP ini recommended file to rename to copy to PHP ini file. See, open PHP, as we have to see PHP ini file. So here PHP ini recommended. Now rename that file into php.ini. Okay, you can see the PHP ini file. Click open. Okay, so this is the PHP ini file. So here we have to make changes. We have to make changes of the PHP ini file. So here edit notepad in PHP ini notepad, the below parameters.